Hello friends, we have some newcomers in our school, some very interesting friends. Would you like to meet them? Welcome to the Excel Farm. Let's meet our goat family. Two of our mother goats, Amini and Mani, gave birth to 5 goat kids on the same day. Now these kids are 3 months old. These are the kids of Mani. They are quite naughty. And these 3 are the kids of Amini. This is the sweetest of all. We have 2 new additions to our cow family too. This is Kuttan. He is the son of Maluti. He is 2 months old. This is the youngest member of the cow family. He is only 17 days old. He is the son of Kalyani. We have not named him so far. Now let us meet our hen family. We have 5 new chicks in our hen family. These 3 chicks are about 5 to 6 months old. These 2 tiny chicks are the latest additions to our hen family. They are just about 2 months old. These 2 little ducklings are also the latest members of our Excel farm. Aren't they really cute? So friends, hope you enjoyed meeting your new friends at the Excel farm.